5 simple wall exercises can outperform walking after 60 because they activate the muscles that older adults tend to lose the fastest. And those muscles are the exact ones responsible for strength, stability, and confidence in movement. When people age, the body naturally loses muscle mass, especially in the legs, hips, and core, and walking alone often isn't enough to stimulate those deeper fibers. Wall exercises, however, create controlled resistance that targets the stabilizer muscles around the knees, ankles, hips, and lower back. These are the muscles that prevent falls, allow smooth balance, and support pain-free movement throughout daily life. A surgeon explained that these muscles respond better to short bursts of targeted tension rather than long periods of low-intensity movement, which is why even a few minutes of wall work can deliver better results than long walks. The first benefit comes from increased muscle activation. When you press your back against a wall for a wall sit, your thighs, glutes, and hips begin working immediately, like walking, which can allow weaker muscles to stay inactive while stronger ones compensate. A wall sit forces the entire lower body to engage evenly. This builds endurance where older adults need it most. Stronger thighs mean better knee support, more stable steps, and fewer sudden aches. Even holding the position for 10 seconds can stimulate muscle fibers that walking simply doesn't reach. Another benefit comes from joint protection. Many older adults experience knee, ankle, or hip pain that makes walking uncomfortable. Wall exercises reduce pressure on these joints while still strengthening the surrounding muscles, which improves long-term mobility. A wall push-up, for example, stabilizes the wrists, elbows, and shoulders without the strain of getting on the floor. This gentle resistance strengthens the chest and upper back in a way walking cannot. Those muscles are essential for lifting objects, pulling doors, and maintaining good posture. Poor posture is one of the leading causes of neck pain and breathing difficulty among older adults, and simple wall exercises can help correct it. Balance also improves significantly with these exercises. Standing beside the wall and lifting one leg at a time trains the brain and body to coordinate more effectively. Balance is a skill that weakens with inactivity, and walking does not directly challenge the stabilizing muscles needed to prevent falls. A controlled leg lift, on the other hand, forces the core, hips, and ankles to align, building confidence with every repetition. This coordination is essential for climbing stairs, getting out of chairs, and turning quickly without losing stability. Flexibility and mobility increase as well. Stretching the calves and back using the wall helps loosen tight muscles that restrict movement. Many older adults live with stiffness because the muscles surrounding their joints have shortened from years of limited activity. A simple wall stretch can improve blood flow, reduce inflammation, and restore the natural movement of the hips and spine. These improvements make walking easier, but more importantly, they reduce everyday discomfort and increase the body's ability to perform natural movements without pain. Strengthening the upper back and shoulders by sliding the arms up and down the wall improves alignment and breathing. This exercise is highly effective because it strengthens muscles that are often neglected, even in regular walkers. The strong upper back muscles help keep the chest open, allowing the lungs to expand more fully. Better breathing leads to more energy, sharper focus, and improved endurance during all physical activities. Together, these 5 simple wall exercises create a full-body strengthening routine that walking alone cannot provide. They're gentle, safe, and accessible, yet powerful enough to reverse muscle loss, improve balance, and support long-term independence. They restore the body's foundation, making daily tasks easier, movement more confident, and aging more vibrant. Another powerful reason these wall exercises outperform walking is that they allow older adults to train with precision and control. Walking is a repetitive motion, and while it supports cardiovascular health, it doesn't offer the kind of targeted strengthening that aging bodies require. As the body grows older, it becomes more important to focus on movements that protect the joints, engage multiple muscle groups simultaneously, and correct long-standing imbalances. Wall exercises make this possible because the wall provides structure, stability, and support, allowing anyone to perform the movements safely, even if they have limited balance, arthritis, or reduced mobility. The simple presence of a wall can transform a basic exercise into a safe, effective strength-building routine that gives results without the fear of falling or overstraining. These exercises also help improve neuromuscular communication, which tends to decline with age. As people grow older, the connection between the brain and the body's muscles becomes less efficient, leading to slower reactions, instability, and hesitation in movement. When performing controlled wall exercises, the brain is forced to reconnect with the muscles in a more conscious way. For instance, during a wall sit, the brain sends stronger signals to the legs to maintain the position. During a wall push-up, the arms and shoulders engage with deliberate effort. This type of mindful movement helps restore the body's natural coordination and responsiveness, making everyday activities like standing up, bending, reaching, or stepping more secure and confident. Another key advantage of wall exercises is their ability to improve posture and spinal alignment. Many older adults develop rounded shoulders, forward head posture, or lower back curvature from years of sitting, lack of movement, or muscle weakness. Walking does little to correct these patterns because it doesn't actively engage the upper back or shoulder muscles. By contrast, wall exercises such as arm slides or wall-supported stretches create gentle but effective activation of the postural muscles. When these muscles strengthen, the spine begins to realign naturally. Better posture not only reduces neck and back pain, but also allows the lungs to expand more fully, which increases oxygen flow, boosts energy levels, and improves overall well-being. These exercises also help increase bone strength, a benefit that walking alone cannot fully provide. While walking is weight-bearing, it applies the same repetitive load with each step, which limits stimulation for bone growth. Wall exercises provide varied angles of resistance, activating different parts of the body and sending stronger signals to the bones to maintain density. Strengthening the muscles surrounding the bones also reduces the risk of fractures, making everyday tasks safer and more manageable. One of the most important reasons these exercises outperform walking is that they are accessible to everyone, regardless of fitness level. Many older adults find long walks tiring, especially if they struggle with knee pain, hip stiffness, or shortness of breath. Wall exercises remove these barriers by allowing people to work at their own pace, using the wall for balance, reducing strain, and increasing safety. They can be done in small spaces, require no equipment, and can be performed anytime, making them an ideal choice for seniors who want strength training without leaving home. This accessibility means consistency becomes easier, and consistency is what truly transforms the body over time. Wall exercises also strengthen the core more effectively than walking. The core is responsible for stabilizing the body, supporting every movement, and protecting the spine. A weak core is one of the main reasons older adults struggle with balance, back pain, and difficulty standing up or sitting down. Wall exercises encourage the abdominal muscles to activate, especially in movements that require steadiness or holding a position. A stronger core improves balance, prevents falls, reduces pain, and increases the body's ability to handle physical stress. Together, these deeper benefits make wall exercises a more complete approach to aging well. They target strength, balance, coordination, posture, bone health, muscle activation, and core stability areas that walking simply cannot reach with the same level of effectiveness.